I wanna I need a tag, yeah. I want a bag, yeah. Unless you talking numbers, we ain't speaking about the right things. Switch up on my nigga for a figure, that's not like me. Baddie with a body in the lobby, she like nice things. She used to know me then, she like me now, that's funny timing. Eyes been on that prize, I copped that cribbo for that timepiece. I'm trying to see the globe and sell out shows into the flight lead. They wanna ride my ties, but they ain't even ride or die, please.
Alright guys, welcome back to another one. I got something a little different today. Still car related, but something a little different. We're on the hunt for some diecast stuff. So we're gonna go over here to Tam Tams. I'll drop the link for the address because they have, I think, like 8 or 9 or 10, something ridiculous around the Tokyo region. So we're just outside of Tokyo. I think we're more closer to Yokohama, but honestly, I don't know exactly. So what I'll do is I'll drop you the address down below so you can see this one specifically. But we're gonna go in, we're gonna hunt for some diecast stuff. Let me show you what I can find, and we'll have another fun one. All right, let's go in. Let's go have some fun. All right, guys. So let's take a walk through. If you guys haven't been here before, Tam Tams is one of the locations that you can do model car stuff. Diecast, model cars, they have everything. They have trains, they have a bunch of really just awesome stuff. Oh man, look at the cars. So you got like the Mines 34, Liberty Walk. Saw the Enos. They have like the Kaido House and all the different ones on that you can get from there. Definitely all the popular stuff. Some of the harder to get stuff, you know, you can find here. Auto art. So if you want a big 1/18th, you can get a big 1/18th here. Your mini GTs. I mean, there's so much good stuff. The ignition models, which 1/18th on the ignition models are definitely a favorite. You're gonna spend a little money, but the amount of detail and everything else that you get on them is just, you know, really incredible. So you can see they've got a bunch of different brands, a bunch of different types. So whatever you're into, let me see if I can get that to clean up a little bit for you. But yeah, whatever you're into. So I came looking specifically for some like EK stuff and you know, potentially like GTR stuff. Check those out. You guys can do the conversion there. But like there's a handful of places as you go through, depending on where you're located. So this one was a little further out. They have a couple other styles, like they have them inside Tokyo, outside Tokyo. We're outside Tokyo just a little bit. I'll drop the location of where I'm at so you guys can see which one this is. But I've been to the one in Tokyo too. They're a little hit and miss for what you can find, but there's definitely always something good, you know, depending on what you're looking for. So they have race versions, they have OEM versions, they've got stuff like Liberty Walk, they got stuff like RWB, and just kind of all sorts of cool stuff. Little high ace, little modified like high ace vans. See, they got the RWB, they have the regular Hobby Japan stuff, so you see a couple of EKs there, EGs, some EFs, and then they have them by, you know, they have all the Mitsubishi stuff down here. So, and all different prices too, depending on what you're into. A couple initial D, setups on those. Let's see what else we can find. The Adman livery is always fun. Look, they got the 850 like tour car. Those are cool. I always love those. Let's see what else we can find. So they have the Tamika or Tamika? Yeah, there we go. Like limited edition stuff. So, you know, these are ones that if you don't get when they come out, they're really hard to get otherwise. And they come in their limited edition box and everything. This is one that was definitely on my short list. Big 1/18th, initial D EK9. If that had been a black one, I'd have been done. I'd have got that right off the bat. Some more mini GT stuff. So they also, as you go through, they have regular models, they have RC cars, they have everything. So, you know, it's not just diecast. I'm here specifically for the diecast stuff. So they have some of the little initial D series. I've got a couple of these already. I like those. And then if you're into rally cars, if you're into like Formula One, so just a little of everything. Look how good the ignition. I mean, how detailed. TEs, Brembos, like the whole thing. The MK4 in matte gray, that's beautiful. You got some TamTam stuff up here. Like I said, I found some Kaido House stuff. Look, you got the little Porsches. So, get your FDs. But each one and the stock comes and goes, so they're a good, you know, it's a good one to come out to. You visit. Of course, like I said, depending on what you're looking for. But this was definitely a fun little spot to come out to. See, they even got the Hot Wheels. But yeah, so I don't know. I'm liking the mines stuff. I wish they had a Calsonic, like a smaller Calsonic. They had a bigger Calsonic one over there, but I didn't have that much room in my luggage. So, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys, kind of give you a quick hit of what was here at Tam Tams. They have, like, here, let me flip you guys around. They have the schedules, they have the cars, which ones are here. It's super cool. So, like, it's definitely a fun place. Even if you just come to hang out, you just kind of run through. You see what they have, if they have anything that you're looking for, and otherwise, you know, you spend a lot of money. You can. Oh, the S13 going by. You know, some of those ignition models are like in the 1/18ths. Those are, you know, $300. So you can be in something like that, or you can be here. The other fun thing is, anytime you're doing something car related, you always find others. So look, little S13 going out right there. There was a IS in here too earlier. So that's one of those fun things. But yeah, I mean, you can spend, you know, a couple bucks on a Hot Wheels. You can spend $10-20 on, you know, one of the 1/64ths, and then up through $300-400 if you want one of those big 1/18th ignition models. So just a fun little hit. I figured I'd show you guys. Like I said, I'll drop the link below. I'll show you guys which one I'm specifically at. If I happen to go over to, like, if I happen to go back into Tokyo and I'm at Akihabara, I'll show you, because there's like Mandrakes and a couple other places that you can go to get, you know, other die casts. You get figurines, all of that kind of stuff. Like, if you're into the figurine stuff, there's just a ton. The one Mandrakes that I did was, I think, like 8 floors, and each floor had something different. And then what's cool about those is they have the stuff that's been out of stock for a while and it's just sitting in the cabinets. So if you like to hunt for stuff, like that's fun. But like there's so much to pick from. So I figured this was a good fun hit. Still car related, but you know, not the normal stuff that we've been doing in Japan. But while you're in Japan, you can't help yourself. If you're doing car stuff, you got to come to a spot like Tam Tams or Mandrakes or one of those, and hunt for those, you know, those collectibles that you like. All right, I'm gonna get out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little pit stop here. Still car related. So I'm in Japan again all week. We're doing Tokyo Auto Salon week. So it's all fun stuff. Every night's Daikoku. You know, during the day we're going to, you know, one spot or another. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what you think. Drop those comments, and I'll see you guys at the next one. Thanks.